Guys, I need your help. I need to choose a Christmas tree and I'm not sure which one to get. My husband doesn't like white Christmas trees and he thinks maybe the fluff ones might be a little bit too trendy. So I need your help. We're going to go into Old Time Pottery today and take a look at what they have, guys. So I need you to help me to choose one. I've narrowed it down to 4. So we're going to go ahead and take a look to see what they have in store. I'm Arlene and welcome to my home and garden channel. So as you can see here, guys, they have a lot of beautiful trees. These right along here, these were all 7.5 feet tall. That one there was for $129. And over here we have some, these ones are not lit. And honestly, I prefer when my tree is already pre-lit, so that way I don't have to worry too much about, us getting lights on there. You can see the prices that they're going like $179, $149 for the ones that are pre-lit. Here's another one like that one again. Over here we have this one. This one, I guess it's probably more like for people who live in South Florida or areas like that. It looks like a palm tree. I'm not too sure how I would decorate it, so this probably would not be the tree for me. But of course, everyone has their own likeness. These weren't too bad over here. This may be like if you have a secondary tree, in another area of the home, not so large. $29.99. That really isn't bad. I mean, they fluffed it out so good, so it actually really looks good to me. That one there was $59, $49, $49. A little too narrow there though. And these are the white ones, and I like the lights on these. It looks really good. But again, I don't think the white's gonna work for my house because we kind of don't have a unanimous agreement on that. And then over here, this one is for $59. Not too bad either. And we're moving down the line. Take a look at this one. This is a pink one. This definitely would not work in my house. But it's really cute though. It just depends on what your taste is and what kind of theme you're going for. But I could see that working for a lot of people. Over here, these are some smaller ones. That's 3.5 feet. $49.99. Of course, they had some cute little things out on the front here. But let's go ahead, guys, and get back to the trees. So you can see here $69.99. Same thing there again. This one over here is shaped like a topiary. I prefer the typical cone shape. And you see the light post there as well too, or the lamp post, I should say. These ones are very narrow, so if you like the narrow type of tree, then this would be for you. Price isn't too bad at all. These are in the $99 range, $99.99. Very tall and narrow if you like that. Here's a smaller pink one. And the texture on there looks really, really good. I like that. As you can see, they have a blue one right here. But this strong pink color here like a fuchsia and the blue. And over here they had some smaller size ones. And guys, if you like gardening and decorating and you've never subscribed to my channel before, I do hope that you will hit the subscribe button and tap on the notification bell so you'll never miss an upload. They can be suggested to you and you can decide which ones you like. Now this right here, this is actually a red Christmas tree. This is definitely very, very bold. I can imagine maybe decorating that with just like all whites or something that's a little more muted so that way it doesn't, clash too much with the red color. But 4 feet, $24.99, that's not bad. And that's a black one right there. Look at this one. This is a tinsel tree, $24.99, and it's 4 feet tall. That is not bad at all. I think it's actually very pretty. Got a lot of gaps in there though. And over here you'll see another smaller white one here. And these are pre-lit, so honestly, these really aren't bad prices here at all. I think they're doing pretty good. So guys, I've narrowed it down. This is tree number 1. And I really like how this one looks. I like that flocked look. My only issue with this is that it has a lot of gaps in there, so I'm not sure how I would fill it in. I'm guessing we would need to have a lot of ornaments, larger ones, maybe some large ribbons and all of that. So that probably would be the drawback on that one for me. But I think it is absolutely beautiful. And the price isn't bad either. And then here's the next one. This one is number 2. This one also has a little bit of flocking on there too. It costs a little bit more. This one is for $249.99. And it's a little bit more narrow, but I think it is really, really beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. And this one is number 3. This one is a green one, $179.99. And this one is 7 feet tall. And then next we have number 4. And this one is for $1.99, and it's a little bit wider at the bottom. So let me know which one you think, guys. Let's take a look at the accessories now. And these are the tree skirts, and they're all so beautiful, you know, very bright shades of red there. You got your buffalo check ones. Some of them have, you know, the patterns on them. So a little frosty right there. You can get the darker colors, maybe like the grays, you know, something that's going to tone it down a little bit depending on what you're doing above the tree. And these, the prices weren't too bad. These were going for $29.99. And of course, you know, they'll maybe most likely have sales on these. Now look at these beautiful, beautiful ornaments right here. Aren't these absolutely gorgeous? You can always get a few of these and put them here and there, you know, just mix them in. And the prices were $2.99, so that's not bad at all, you know, if you're just going to get a few of those. Over here we have some nice snowflakes, $1.99. And we had the icicles, and those are really good to fill in gaps on your tree too. And let's take a look at the ornaments now. So this is a 37 count for $9.99. That's definitely a bargain right there. And these go a really long way because, you know, there's so many. You probably get like a couple packs of these, and it fills out your whole tree along with your, you know, a few other things here and there. And look at the colors, guys. They have the different color schemes. If you like blue and white, you like the standard red, white, and gold. And they got that for you there as well. And also these little package ones are a good idea too. It has a little theme going there. This is for $19.99, and you have 25 pieces inside there, so that's pretty good. If you're going for a more, you know, like white and light blue tone, then this would be it here for you. And these are just like little jewels to me. That's how they look to me, just so pretty. And if you like that blush or that pink, then this package right here is a pretty good deal. And let's take a look and see how much this one was going for. So this one was going for $19.99. Not bad at all. You know, these are not breakable, so they'll last for years and years. You don't have to worry about them, you know, shattering or anything like that. And of course, you have the different color combinations. And let's take a look at the picks now, guys. This one is so fancy. Look at that. This is really large. You just need a couple of these, you know, stick them in here and there. And let's take a look now and see how much this one was going for. And they do take orders online too, so if you're not in the area for them, you can always order them. That one was $2.49. You just wanted it without all of that glitter on there, then you can always choose that one as well too. And they had a little picks like this one over here for $1.49. And look at this one, that just looks so pretty. And then you have the silver ones, you know, the silver picks. You stick them here and there for $3.99. And guys, I'd love to see your comments if you started, you know, planning your theme for Christmas yet. And look at this one. This is if you're going more glam. It's so pretty. Look at that. So beautiful. And this one is going for 99 cents. So now, guys, these are the choices. Remember them. This one is number 1. If you like that one, you can put it in the comments. Let me know if you know that would be your choice. And then we have number 2. And this one is for $249.99. And then we have number 3 for $179.99. This one is a little bit shorter though. This one is 7 feet tall, not 7.5 like the other 3. Pre-lit and everything. And of course we have number 4. So that's the choices that we have. And now, guys, don't forget your lights, especially if you have a tree that's not, a fresh cut tree, or if your tree is not pre-lit, you always want to make sure that you have that. And you had quite a few of these, as you can see here. And of course, don't forget the real reason for this season, guys. I do thank you so much for watching. I'd love to see your comments. Thanks so much for being faithful and subscribing to my channel and watching my videos time and time again. Enjoy the season and have a wonderful day.